This is going to be a very quick video about what kind of glues you can use to repair polycarbonate or lexan bodies. So very quickly, so I have this cheap body for SCX-102. There were a couple of scratches, cracks along the way, along the wheel wells and such, and I was thinking how I could fix it. So I had a shoe glue, which threw it in the garbage, but I can just extract it. Shoe Goo, which worked really well, but I ran out of shoe glue, so I used it all up. There's nothing left. And then I also had all-purpose cement, so Barge all-purpose cement. So it's a little bit runny and it runs yellow, but it seems like it works quite well. I left a little piece as a tester piece last night. Just a little bit with the drywall repair tape. As you can see, this little netting, and it looks like it works. Initially it was quite tacky compared to Shoe Goo, but it dried overnight, and it looks like it's not tacky anymore. There's still a little bit of tackiness, but it looks like within 48 to 72 hours it's gonna be completely dry. So if you have something like this, and if you're thinking of repairing and thinking whether you're thinking whether it works or not, it looks like it will work. I applied one layer here and one layer there. The one above was done with Shoe Goo, but I ran out of that, so I used that. So just waiting for a little bit for it to dry a little bit before I can apply it to the bottom. And I also went out and got E6000, but it looks like I will return it because it basically does the same thing that I already had lying around. So this Barge all-purpose cement will work. Okay, so that was a very quick one. Happy RC.